Hey Mel, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I came across your website here whenever I was doing a little bit of research in your area, and I wanted to shoot a custom video for you all going over 3 things that you all can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use these for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I'm wanting to go over today is content. And so we'll be going over content, citations, and backlinks. And so with content, Google wants to see that you are providing value to those people that are landing on your site. So they are looking through all of this content here, and that also includes every single photo that is on your website. Google has the capability of seeing what these photos were saved as before they were uploaded, so that's why that is included. And so they are also checking to see what keywords are on your site here, because they want to know who you are, what you do, where you're located. They want to make sure that they are connecting you to the correct people when they are searching in that Google search bar. So a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you would want those keywords embedded throughout. One example of a keyword, McKinney Commercial Construction. Anything that's being typed into the Google search bar is what we consider a keyword. And whenever your future customers are typing this in, the first thing that is populating are a few ads here. So ads can be a great tool whenever utilized properly to increase your business, but for now we're going to scroll past them. And so then we get into what's called the organic listing. And 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing here. And this is where your website would be ranking. And so you really want to be as high up in the organic listing as possible to get the most business for yourself. If we scroll down, we come across what's called the Google Map Pack section. The remaining 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 here because they get the majority of that business for themselves. The way that you outrank your competitors here would be to have a Google business profile. And with a really fast search here, I did not see a Google business profile for you. So maybe it's under a different name, or maybe you don't have one. This is free, so this is definitely something I recommend you all going and getting for yourself. It's called a Google Business Profile, and you want to make sure that you have that and then that you optimize it. That way, if it's optimized, you'll be ranking in the top 3 here. And citations play a really big role there. And all that is your business name, the address, and the phone number exactly as you have it on your Google Business Profile in your local directories. So that could be Facebook, that could be Yelp, and you want to outdo these competitors here so that you are ranking in the top 3 and getting your share of that 30 to 40% of business there. If we scroll down, we are back into that organic listing. And I see that you are at the bottom of the first page here, and it's really good that you're on the first page because over 90% of people will stay on the first page. I recommend being as high up as possible on the first page so that you are getting more business for yourself there. Something that we can do is we can plug in your URL, your website, into a tool called Ahrefs, and we can take a look at the back end of your website. DR and UR, this is the authority and the trustworthiness of your website. You have 1.7, and 6, and what's making up your ratings are 52 backlinks, and these backlinks are coming from 26 referring domains. So this is the last thing I wanted to touch on today. So backlinks are vital for you to be able to rank on that Google search result there. A backlink is one website linking to another, kind of like a shout out. And you do want to be intentional here because there are high quality backlinks that will boost these ratings, and there are also spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. And so also, as well as getting good quality backlinks, you do want to make sure it pertains to your business as well. You want to make sure it's relevant to you because Google does pay attention. So something that goes hand in hand with these ratings are keywords. So this entails that you're going to be pushed to the top of that Google search result for what you would actually want to be found for. So the locations that you serve, the services that you provide, and I recommend what's called buyer intent here. And so all that means is people that are looking to buy your services, and then that way you're getting higher quality leads landing on your site from the beginning. And then right now you will have 117 monthly website traffic. And so you guys are doing pretty good here. So what we'd want to do is we'd want to go in and find all of your competitors that are outranking you, because we can do the exact same thing for every single one of your competitors. We can plug them in here and we can see their ratings, and then we would know what we need to beat. We can go into their backlinks and link those backlinks to your website, because if it is working for them to rank, it would also work for you to rank, as well as going into all of their keywords and then finding which ones apply to you, making sure those are on your website and that you are ranking for them. Because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would convert to your customers there. And so I hope that this video was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.